happening today, an engineering adventure. For the third time ever, the Red Bull Flugtag is taking over Tampa as participants take flight with their own aircraft creations and usually make a big splash as well. 10 Tampa Bay's Nick Valturo is live out there now with a look at some of the creative crafts that you can check out today. Good morning, Nick. I loved the Barbie dream plane, boat, whatever it was that we had on earlier. What a great group. And I know there are so many more creative, great people out there this morning.
Jenny, it is unbelievable, the creativity, but we're going international right now. International Man of Mystery, and it's getting really groovy. I'm here with the super villain behind it all, Dr. Evil, and you got Austin Danger Powers next to him. Of course, Gold member, the Fembot, and Fat, you know what, over here to really incent the whole ensemble of the cast, but I'm here with the man behind it all. So let me ask you something, Gentry. Putting this together, you guys really had to throw this together in no time because this wasn't something you planned on doing.
Yeah, we had a hot jump on this, so we only had about 10 days to throw it together. So I'm going to walk you through the craft and show you everything we put together.
All right, let's do it. Let's go, because I see a shark with a frickin' laser beam on its head along with a Jaguar below it.
This is the key to our success. It's a shark with a frickin' laser beam attached to its head. When Austin Powers takes flight, the shark with the laser beam is going to shoot a laser into the wing and propel it into outer space. This is how my evil plan is going to come together, and we are going to take over the world for $100 billion.
So you guys put this together. You guys are all engineers over at Kennedy Space Center. So this is something you guys had to put together in no time. Just talk a little bit about the design. Austin, I want to bring Austin Danger Powers over here because you're going to be the one in this machine, right? You're going to be the one in there. So just talk a little bit about the design and what you guys are thinking as far as when you designed this and built it.
Yeah, the key to the design was tapping back to Austin Powers. So we got the Jaguar trim with a customized Foley cart that we put together. We only had 10 days to put this together. We're kind of a late entry to the game. And then we heavily modified like a windsurfing type profile for the wing that's gonna fly overhead. Of course, we gotta have Union Jack flag flying in its glory as we launch and the shark chases. The build was really fast, but we are engineers working at Kennedy Space Center, proudly representing sending a woman to the moon with the Artemis program next year. So it was a quick but powerful push. And then Fat B over there transported this shark all the way from Utah on an airplane. So.
Yeah, I was talking about that. You know, this is one of the craziest parts. You see this shark over here with the frickin' laser beam on its head. This man over here, they had to get that in a plane from Utah. You brought that over, right? You had to ship this in a plane from Utah. You carried that on the plane with you.
I know, it took some finagling. I went to Frontier. At first I was like, it's a surfboard, and then they opened it up, it was this giant shark. And really, they were like, what? It's not a surfboard? So we listed it as artwork, and we got it on there. Anyway, you know how projects go. Sometimes there's a lot of hurdles, but we got here.
You know what? These guys are having a great time, and I know it's not easy to breathe in these suits, right? No, it's going to be hot. Now, this all gets started at noon. They're expecting about 80,000 people to pack over here at the convention center for this event. It hasn't happened here in almost 15 years, so you're definitely going to want to check this out because it truly is a one-of-a-kind experience. For right now, reporting live in Tampa, Nick Valturo, 10 Tampa Bay.
I got to tell you, Nick, I could spend the entire morning watching you interview all of these crews with all of these amazing boats. All right, Kennedy Space Center engineers, we have high expectations for them.